Day class. We are here again for a new lesson entitled Food Preparation and Service Tools and Equipment, Their Uses and Maintenance. Let's begin. For our content standard, the learners demonstrate an understanding of the fundamentals of the hospitality and tourism industry. For the performance standard, the learners apply skills in food preparation and services following safety precautions. For the learning competencies and objectives, identify the common tools and equipment used in the food preparation and service industry. Explain how common food preparation and service tools and equipment are used following the industry standards. Before we start, let us try to name some commonly used tools in the kitchen. What do you think is this? Good job! It is a frying pan. How about this one? Correct! Those are knives. How about this? Good job! It is a ladle. How about this one? Correct! It is a colander. For the definition of terms, let's have the following. Kitchen, a room especially set apart and containing the necessary utensils for cooking food. Kitchen equipment. It refers to the larger items in the kitchen that handle the bulk of the preparation and cooking processes. Examples are stoves, chillers, freezers, microwaves, blenders, etc. Kitchen tools. Kitchen tools is a kitchen device or implements, handheld and used to perform a particular function. Example, tongs, flat wooden spatula, measuring cups and spoons, vegetable peeler, chef's knives, kitchen shears, strainer, whisk, cutting boards, etc. Now, let's discuss the different kitchen tools and its uses. First are the materials used in the following kitchen tools. Aluminum. Advantages: best for all-around use. Most popular: lightweight, attractive, and less expensive. Even heat distribution regardless of temperature. Available in sheet or cast aluminum. Care tips: requires maintenance to stay shiny and clean, susceptible to dents and scratches in lighter gauges. Limitations: turns dark with alkalis, for example, potatoes, beets, carrots. Acidic foods, for example, tomatoes, brighten its surface. Stainless steel. Advantages: popular for tools and equipment despite being more expensive, easy to clean and maintain its shine, durable and resists wear compared to aluminum. Available in various gauges from light to heavy. Enhanced heat distribution with copper, aluminum, or laminated steel bottoms. Care tips: prevent heat dark spots by using stainless steel with a reinforced base. Glass. Advantages: ideal for baking applications. Care tips: requires careful handling to ensure durability. Limitations: not practical for top or surface cooking. Cast iron. Advantages: durable and sturdy material. Care tips: must be oiled with unsalted salad oil or shortening to prevent rust. Oil should be applied inside and out, then dried. Wash with soap, not detergent, before use. Ceramic. Uses: suitable for baking dishes, casseroles, and measuring cups. Properties: conduct heat slowly and evenly. Many are decorated and versatile enough to transition from stove or oven to the dining table. Double boiler. Uses: maintains a temperature below boiling point. Ideal for cooking delicate dishes like egg sauces and puddings. Useful for keeping food warm without overcooking. Teflon. Properties: a special coating applied to aluminum or steel pots and pans. Prevents food from sticking to the surface. Easier to wash and clean. Care tips: avoid scratching with sharp instruments, for example, knives, forks. Use wooden or plastic spatulas for mixing or turning food. Next are the kitchen tools. Kitchen tools refer to utensils, implements, or small equipment used in the kitchen to prepare, cook, serve, or store food. 1. A baster. It is handy for returning some of the meat or poultry juices from the pan to the food. Basting brushes can be used for the same purpose, but they are also convenient for buttering the tops of breads and baked goods after they come out of the oven. 2. Can, bottle, or cartoon opener. Used to open a food tin, preferably with a smooth operation and comfortable grip and turning knob. 3. Colanders, also called vegetable filters, are essential for various tasks, from cleaning vegetables to straining pasta or tin contents. 4. Dredgers are used to shake and sprinkle flour, salt, and pepper on meat, poultry, and fish. 5. Emery boards or sharpening steel is used to sharpen long knives. 6. Funnels are made of various sizes of stainless steel, aluminum, or plastic, are used to fill jars. 7. Cutting board is a wooden or plastic board where meats and vegetables can be cut. 8. Graters are used to grate, shred, slice, and separate foods such as carrots, cabbage, and cheese. 9. Handy poultry and roasting tools. By using this, it makes it easier to lift a hot roasted turkey from the roaster to the serving platter without falling apart. 10. Kitchen shears are practical for opening food packages, cutting tape or string, or removing labels or tags from items. Other cutting tools, such as box cutters, are just as handy, especially for opening packages. 11. A pasta spoon or server transfers a little or a lot of pasta to a waiting plate without mess. Pasta spoons are best used with spaghetti or other long pasta noodles. You can use a large slotted serving spoon for short portions of pasta. 12. A potato masher is used for mashing cooked potatoes, turnips, carrots, or other soft cooked vegetables. 13. Rotary egg beater, used for beating small quantities of eggs or batter. The beaters should be made of stainless steel. 14. Scraper, a rubber or silicone tool to blend or scrape the food from the bowl, metal, silicone, or plastic egg turners or flippers. 15. Seafood serving tools. It makes cleaning seafood and removing the shell much more accessible. For cooking seafood, utensils will vary depending on what you are cooking. 16. Spatula. It is used to level off ingredients when measuring and to spread frostings and sandwich fillings. 17. Two-tine fork. It is used to hold meats while slicing and to turn solid pieces of meat while browning or cooking. Made of stainless steel and with a heat-proof handle. 18. Wooden spoons are used for creaming, stirring, and mixing. They should be made of hardwood. Next are measuring tools. 1. Measuring spoons are used to measure small quantities of dry and liquid ingredients. 2. Measuring cups and spoons for dry ingredients used to measure solids and dry ingredients, such as flour, fat, and sugar. It is commonly made of aluminum or stainless material. Sizes range from 1, 1/2, 1/4, and 3/4 to 1 gallon. 3. Measuring cups for liquid ingredients are commonly made of transparent, heat-proof glass so that liquid can be seen. 4. Portion scales are used to weigh serving portions from 1 ounce to 1 pound. 5. Temperature scales are used to measure heat intensity. Different thermometers are used for various purposes in food preparation for meat, candy, or deep fat frying. 6. Scoops or dippers are used to measure servings of soft foods, such as fillings, ice cream, and mashed potatoes. Next are the cutting tools. 1. Butcher knife is used to section raw meat, poultry, and fish. It can be used as a cleaver to separate small joints or to cut bones. Butcher knives are made with heavy blades with a saber or flat grind. 2. French knife is used to chop, dice, or mince food. Heavy knives have a saber or flat grind. 3. Roast beef slicer is used to slice roasts, ham, and thick, solid cuts of meats. 4. Kitchen knives, often referred to as cook's or chef's tools, are a must for all kitchen tasks, from peeling an onion and slicing carrots to carving a roast or turkey. 5. Citrus knife is used to section citrus fruits. The blade has a two-sided, serrated edge. 6. Paring knife is used to core, peel, and section fruits and vegetables. Blades are short and concave with hollow ground. 7. Vegetable peeler is used to scrape vegetables, such as carrots and potatoes, and to peel fruits. The best ones are stainless steel with a sharp double blade that swivels. Last, but not the least, are equipments. Under equipment are refrigerators or freezers. It is an insulated box equipped with a refrigeration unit and controls to maintain the proper inside temperature for food storage. 2. Oven. A chamber or compartment used for cooking, baking, heating, or drying. 3. Microwave ovens. They have significantly increased their use in the food industry. Foods can be prepared ahead of time, frozen or refrigerated during the slack periods, and cooked or heated quickly in microwave ovens. 4. Blenders are used to chop, blend, mix, whip, puree, grate, and liquefy all kinds of food. A blender is a handy appliance. They vary in the amount of power voltage wattage. 5. Food processor, used to puree cooked food, chopped nuts, and emulsify sauces. Special discs that slice and shred are julienne foods that can be added. For our quiz, write true if the statement is correct and false if not. 1. Aluminum utensils are popular because they are lightweight, attractive, and less expensive. 2. Aluminum is a hard metal, and even lighter gauges are resistant to dents and scratches. 3. Acidic vegetables like tomatoes cause aluminum to brighten its surface. 4. Cast iron utensils must be oiled to prevent rusting. 5. Cast iron should always be washed with detergent for better cleaning. 6. Ceramic and heat-proof glass are ideal for baking dishes, casseroles, and measuring cups. 7. Glass and ceramic conduct heat quickly and unevenly, making them impractical for baking. 8. A double boiler is useful for cooking egg sauces and puddings by maintaining a temperature below boiling. 9. Teflon is a coating applied to pans that prevents food from sticking to the surface. 10. Sharp instruments like knives and forks should be used to mix food in Teflon-coated pans. Here is the answer key for our quiz.